Hello everyone, welcome to today's review. It's Supreme Harvest Mini Mogra rice. So let's get started. This one is 5 kg pack and you can see the rice from the transparent packaging here, and this has MRP of rupees 400 but I got it for rupees 250 only. So 1 kg rice cost me rupees 50. Let's cut open the pack, and it's basically what we call kinky rice. All the grains are broken grains, 1/4 or 1/5 size. It's almost like a chura. There are no cooking instruction given on the pack, so I'm going to cook it by open pot method. So firstly, wash off the rice thoroughly 3-4 times in regular water and then soak them for 20 minutes. Now boil 4 cup of water for 1 cup of rice. To the boiling water, add soaked drained rice. Now cook on medium flame for 6-7 minutes. So this rice cooks off quickly. Now drain off the rice and see, here we have the final rice. Size of the rice is too small and the texture is soft, but the taste is average. The rice has slightly sticky texture and this rice is not presentable. So when you have guests at home, you cannot offer this one. This is very basic rice. For these kind of basic rice, what I do is I use them to make idli dosa. So I would recommend you this rice for trying idli dosa or kheer or khichdi, and it's a budget friendly rice for everyday use. That's all. Hope you find the video useful. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.